Want to create hyper-realistic images and characters just like this by using free AI software and tools? Stay tuned to this Leonardo AI beginner tutorial. If you stay until to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create such an image using AI for free. And to create all this super hyper-realistic and ultra-realistic character using AI for free, you guys can hop over to Leonardo AI. And Leonardo AI is pretty generous in its free plans. I'm now on my free plans, and every single day you're given 150 tokens that is going to refresh daily. So prior to create this video, I've used up about 37 tokens. So let's check out how to create all these different images. So when you log into the Leonardo AI, this is where you're able to see there are a lot of different styles of the images that you can create. So all of these images put in the community of Leonardo AI. Everyone can use it. Everyone can use the prompt engineering. Unless, if let's say you want it to be privately used, you can then upgrade your account from free version to the paid version instead. So right now we are just going to start to create one of it. So you can find the styles that emulate to what you want. So I'm just going to find back the styles that I really like, which is this. Okay, I really love the color and I really love the styles, and the prompt engineering has been there inside the Leonardo AI. So I'm just going to double click it. So when I click it, this is the exact prompt that you will be able to use. So which means that if let's say you want to be able to create other similar kind of photos or videos as you wanted, you can always go into Leonardo AI to copy the prompts that is being shared in the community of Leonardo AI. So since I really love it, so I'm just going to select this image to image in Leonardo AI. If you want to create a video instead, you can then select image to motion in Leonardo AI. So I'm just going to click image to image right now. So when I'm clicking the image to image right now, that's where I will be prompted to enter my own prompts. So let me just cross it over. So you can actually put your prompts inside. So in order to have this prompt, I don't want to come up myself where it is very basic. So what you can do is that you can hop over to either ChatGPT or Claude, depending on what you use. You can have I just put a prompt says like generate an image prompt that I can use in Leonardo AI to create a female futuristic talking avatar. So it will then give me a very, very specific in Claude what kind of very detailed prompt that I can use to put into Leonardo AI. So I'm just going to copy paste this prompt that I received. I'm just going to paste it right here. And of course, if let's say you feel like there are extra things that you want to improve, you can actually improve it. So after that, we are going to click generate. So as I click generate, you'll be seeing this thing where it will actually consume 28 tokens in Leonardo AI. So once I click it, I will just then deduct my 28 tokens in Leonardo AI. So let me just click create generate. So because we are on the free plan, so it will actually take some time for Leonardo AI to create the images for you. And by default in the free version, they'll actually create 4 for you, which will consume even more tokens. But if let's say you don't want to and you are on the paid plan, you can actually adjust it to actually create 3, 2, or 1 variation for you. So this is a variation that I received it. So there are 4 different variations. You can then pick the variation that you really like to work with. And also there are some additional menu bar in Leonardo AI that you can adjust, like how fast you want to create the images, and then what would be the dimensional images, and this is how many numbers of the images that you want Leonardo AI to create for you, and also some advanced settings. So of course, if let's say you want to have like a really photo reel, you have to upgrade to the paid version of Leonardo AI. Before we continue to the next step, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell me which country you're watching from, and the AI to create for you. So you can actually include it, and you can regenerate based on this negative prompt, and also transparency, and all this you can actually select as well. So let's assume that let us just pick one. Okay, so let's assume that I'm just going to pick this one. Okay, so you can click here to download the images in Leonardo AI. So once you click that, you can download into your desktop, and this is a version. And as you guys can see, it is pretty weird, right? This is the images that I download, I think one of it. But why my images, it is like without the background? This is because Leonardo AI, it is pretty awesome. You can also edit these images inside the prompt as well. You can edit it. They call this as a canvas edit, and you can remove the background over here in the remove background as well. So let's check out the functions here. You can download. You can actually copy to the clipboard. You can unzoom the images, or you can remove the background. So it is going to take 2 tokens from me, and I have another 18 hours and I only have 85 tokens left in Leonardo.ai. If you want more tokens, just upgrade it. So I'm just going to click this remove background. It is going to take about 5 to 10 seconds. And of course, because we are on the free plan, that's why it's going to take longer. So it's going to remove the background. So while waiting, let me know down below which country you're watching from. And yes, isn't it awesome? And you can even download this. You can zoom and unzoom it, and you can even download this to your own usage as well. Just click this button and then you are ready to download the images. So it is pretty awesome and it's pretty easy to use. So there is also other thing that you guys can edit. So let me just show you guys that. So let's just assume that I'm just going to pick this and I want to generate motion video. You can then click this to generate the motion video, and I want to upscale the images. So let us just upscale images only available for the paid plan. So I'm on the free plan, I can't do that. So another way is that you guys can click this to generate the motion videos in the Leonardo.ai. So I'm just going to unfortunately, motion generation are currently not available for user for the free plan. So if let's say you are having a paid plan, that's where you are able to adjust it. I also want to introduce you guys this super cool function that is called Canvas in Leonardo.ai. It's just like, it is where like you are able to edit your images and you add on different elements, just like you add on different elements in Canva. So right now, let us just hover over to the canvas of these images. So one cool thing is that I want to show you guys, like you can actually have, you have a mask lasso here. So I'm just going to, I want to add one element over here. And I want to add maybe a robot bird or a robot machine over on the top side. So I'm just going to mouse over and I'm just going to give the prompt to say add a robot on the shoulder, and this is a talking robot bird. All right, and then we are going to click generate. As you guys can see, it's going to use 14 tokens from me. So I just want to create 3, but unfortunately I'm still on the free plan. And you can also select what kind of models that you want to work with. So there are a lot of different models. So I'm just going to click generate. So it is pretty amazing. It's just like you're able to edit this entirely of yourself using your imagination with the help of these different AI tools like Leonardo.ai. And I've personally used Midjourney before, but I don't really like creating the images in Discord. So I prefer to use Leonardo.ai, but Leonardo.ai with the free version have some limitation as well. So I don't really love this. So let us just check that out. So I feel like this actually emulate to me better. And of course, maybe I should add another keyword that is called hyper realistic so that I can match with this photo pretty well. So this is just an example. I said that it's on the shoulder. That's why they actually add on this on the shoulder. And if let's say if you don't like this, you can actually create another regenerate images as well, which is going to take up of your tokens. So of that, you can then, if let's say you decide to accept, you can accept it. So I'm just going to pick this, okay? Okay, there are a lot more of things that you can actually edit in this canvas as well. So it is definitely one of the coolest AI tools in order to create all these hyper realistic images for us. And can you guys imagine that they can also create like motion video for the Leonardo.ai as well? So this is where I just want to show you guys, this is pretty exciting. And if let's say you are loving these different AI software tools tutorial, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if let's say you've been loving all these AI tools, you would love my free course on how to use ChatGPT in order to power up your productivity and in your personal life as well in your business. You can check it out at junlo.net/ChatGPT. And also, if you love to create contents like me, as always, whether starting a YouTube channel or whether starting your Instagram with more reels and shorts, you are running out of ideas of what video to talk about, you can check it out my free 30-day live video ideas at link.junlo.co/free30, where I share a lot more different ideas that you can do for your daily video as well. So with that, I'm going to see you guys in the next video then. Take care and do subscribe to my channel. Bye!